USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And in the video at the bottom it says grow your money by 135%, I think. That's the first link we're talking about, swing trading and automation, okay? So you can click on this link and go and get this EA if you want to just print money without doing anything on automation. Set and forget, okay? And we give you 5 years money back guarantee as well on that. The second link says book consultation. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, get the brokers here and join free Telegram as well if you want to stay updated. Subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. Daily, we are above the EMA. 4 hour, we are above the EMA. Okay, so in all time frames, we are above the EMA. The price is above the EMA. Look for longs after each pullback. Right now, I don't think there is a trade. We have to wait for pullback for entries. Coming back here, if you do not want to deal with this manually and you just want your money to work for you, then get this EA, install this, and then set and forget. And we have given you 5 years money back guarantee because we know it prints money. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.